friend of me is OUKITEL OKT1, and today I would like to show you how you can add face data on this device. First of all, you need to access settings, choose security over here and scroll down. Then tap on face unlock, enter your current screen lock and tap on more over here. Then click on agree, tap on start and finally remember to keep your face in frame. After that, you need to click on done. And now when I go back, turn off my screen and then turn it back on. As you can see, face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!